to Taiwan because everybody knows that there are almost 530,000 Malaysians come to Taiwan, but just only 10% is Muslim. So we think it will be Malaysia has the potential to be a key market of Muslim travelers from Malaysia to Taiwan. So we want to invite more Muslims come to Taiwan. So we all have Taiwan Pavilion in Mata Fair, and we want to introduce the different beauty about Taiwan.
Taiwan already have 150 plus halal certified hotel and restaurants, which is welcome all the Muslims all over the world, especially Asian countries, to Taiwan. So you can, for Muslims to Taiwan is very easy and better, easier than Korea and Japan if you want to as a new travel destination for Muslim travel agencies or Chinese travel agencies. It's easy for you to find a halal restaurant here. Second, that the most Muslims that are their first destination is of course to Taipei. But besides, if you already visit Taiwan once, I recommend you the second time you can visit south area and the east area, especially like Kaohsiung and Taitung and Hualien, because those most attractive points is their beautiful scenery. And also already we have some halal certified restaurants there, so it's easy for Muslims to go to the second destination besides Taipei and Sambu Lake.
Kami ni datang bersama-sama nak bercuti di Taiwan. Mana-mana kami pergi pun kami dapat layanan yang baik.
Selamat datang.
Taiwan semakin mesra Muslim. Tak lama lagi anda pun akan salam Taiwan.